to check our work here, we need to go all the way back to our original equation, 2x squared plus 4 equals negative 6x. We got two solutions for this equation, x equals negative 1 and x equals negative 2. So we're going to check each of these separately by simply plugging in this value in for x into this equation and simplifying. So if x equals negative 1, we plug it in here where our x is squared. And we plug it in here where it's multiplied by the negative 6. Now we just do some math. Negative 1 squared is positive 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 6 times negative 1 is positive 6. And as you can see, we have a true statement here. 6 is equal to 6. We're going to apply the same exact process for our other solution, negative 2. We're going to plug the negative 2 in for x in the same places we plugged in our negative 1. And then do some math and simplify. Negative 2 squared is positive 4 times 2 is positive 8. Negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12. So you see, when we check our work by plugging negative 2 in, we get a true statement as well. 8 plus 4, 12 is equal to 12. Let's look at that other example. Checking our work here is going to be a little bit harder because we have a fraction and we have some large numbers, but it's still going to work. We'll go through by plugging 1/2 in for x. We'll do the math and simplify to confirm that we have a true statement. One half squared is 1/4. 6 times 1/4 is 6/4, and that simplifies to 3/2. 27 halves, pretty straightforward. Three halves plus 27 halves, 30 halves. What's half of 30? 15. So true statement here when we plugged in 1/2 for x. Now we'll plug in negative 5 to check our work. Negative 5 squared is 25. 25 times 6 is 150. 27 times negative 5 is negative 135. (150) minus 135 is 15. So you see here we have a true statement as well. Our solution of negative 5 also works.